Welcome to the Market Moon Lord. I'm your host, Jason Alexander, the Blue Moon of Neptune. All right, guys. So I just got a different setting on my mic. Let me know if that sounds better to you all. If not, I will change it back to the settings it was on. Okay, so today was quite a day, right? They definitely made it difficult for us to pick a direction. Very indecisive market today. However, unfortunately, I have to say that I can no longer say we're going to get the moonshot on AMC. It just doesn't follow the moonshot rules. Okay, so it's not following the rules. I'm looking at a lot of different other things, but as far as like the typical moon phase rule, we got to see the increase of volume leading into the full moon, and we had a huge decrease in volume on AMC. Okay, and then we had a huge increase or decrease in volume in the overall market. Crypto, the same thing. So GameStop is kind of telling a different story, though, right? It's kind of maintaining the volume. It didn't have like a huge drop in volume. And if you look at the GameStop candles, it looks interesting, like it's getting ready to take off, right? It did go 3.44%. I like those numbers. And AMC did go positive today. So it's GameStop is obviously going to lead the way. Um, GameStop still has that possibility of a moonshot because that volume, the overall volume is like ready to go, right? We have an overall push of volume coming into this full moon, and GameStop's right on the edge of that moon phase resistance, is bouncing off the golden pocket, we have an indecisive candle literally the day before the full moon. So I mean, what do you? I have the stomach for this, okay, but this is we're at the point where we're gambling at this point, right? We're taking a fifth. This is literally a 50-50 candle, but we know that tomorrow's a full moon, right? So you know what I'm doing, you know how I set myself up, right? But um based on the moon phases overall, um we're not getting what we would like to get, right? I would like to see GameStop more on like a 5%, 6% day leading into the full moon, maybe with a different type of candle, like a bullish candle would be nice. Um, so, but I'm okay with the setup. I'm okay with the setup. It's just not something I'm gonna say, yeah, we got the moonshot for sure, right? AMC is telling a whole different story, but we know GameStop's gonna lead the way. Okay, AMC is still on the Eclipse launchpad. Obviously, GameStop is past it. And then we look at crypto. We look at Doge, and Doge is right there on top of the Bollinger Bands on the daily. Okay, so crypto is either gonna have is doing the same thing GameStop is doing, right? With less volume. So as of right now, so I would assume that if crypto starts crashing, we could probably expect AMC and GameStop to probably follow tomorrow. If crypto kind of maintain these levels, I will be pretty bullish on GameStop still for a full moon pop. Um, there has been in the past where crypto has crashed and GameStop and AMC popped, and that was because supposedly they had to get liquidation from the crypto market to cover GameStop, right? So that is also a possibility. But the biggest, for me, I've been looking forward to this particular full moon, mainly because, first of all, sun will be in Scorpio, and we will have to remember new moons and the moon in general rules emotions, therefore rules hope. It rules fear. It rules like how we feel. A lot of people trade based on feeling. The sun in Scorpio means everyone is in a more intense energy than they typically are, and I'm sure you guys feel that a little bit more sensitive than usual, right? So this is a very passionate time and for the stock market for emotional trading. Not to mention the banger, okay, the last planet of our solar system, all right, the Pluto, the ruler of sudden changes, hidden things, things coming out of nowhere, the ruler of occultism, the ruler of power, sex, anything to do with shifts of manipulation and energy. That's all like Pluto stuff, right? Things break when Pluto is doing something. All right. You have to let go of things. Things break, sudden changes, things happen out of nowhere, accidents happen, things get exposed. All right. We're leaving Pluto from Capricorn to Aquarius, where everything gets. All right. Capricorn rules structure. Aquarius rules the breakdown of what Capricorn just did, right? Because every sign is the next stage of the zodiac, the next evolution. The Capricorn is about building the perfect, strongest structure, right? But the Aquarius is like, I bet I can build something better. Nothing's wrong with structure, but I could build something more modern, more futuristic, right? That's that's Aquarius, right? Literally, as you see Trump come into president, he brings in people like Elon. One of the first things they're doing is they're breaking down the structure and they're building a new one, and we know that's going to include the stock market, right? Um, but it's going 0 degrees next week after a long time being in retrograde or after a long time being in Capricorn, like years and years. The last time it was on the other side of Capricorn is 2008. You know what happened in the market then, right? So something's about to happen, in my personal opinion, this month, this year, right? Something big. Hopefully next week. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, this is for entertainment purposes only. Um, I'm here to entertain and just go through this journey with you guys and just kind of show you how I'm going about it. This is obviously risky trading. This clearly is like a 50-50 for a moon pop. So if you play this, or if you got in position for a moon pop tomorrow, um, there's a 50-50. All right. I like my odds. But today my account went down 2K. It was a rocky day. Let's see. So tomorrow we're gonna see if I get a full moon pop. I have the stomach for this stuff, guys. You see that? Um, so yeah, it was a shaky day. It was definitely a shaky day. I'm still good for the week, but yeah, tomorrow I need to see that pop tomorrow because I'm not trying to let my account go under double digits. I need to see some type of pop tomorrow. I did hit a couple of things. That's another thing. I do play other positions, other plays. I'm just the AMC Moon Phase guy. However, I feel like you guys would be cool with me doing other things, and I will start posting other plays that I'm in because there's like full moon, new moon plays all the time, right? Moonshot plays all the time. I did hit one, and I sold out of it first thing in the morning. It was very nice, 300%, and I brought it yesterday for a Disney earnings play, full moon pop. Right, I was hoping I did get in another position way out the money for next week, so I'm not losing much on that. I probably lost like, let me just see. Anyway, my point is there's there's always going to be moonshots everywhere, right? We're not going to always hit them, so don't always put like too much money into one play. You got to diversify and be patient and just let the plays come to you. And right now, the AMC play isn't coming to me the way I want it to as of right now. I wanted a dip today, or I wanted to dip yesterday. Okay. Today I was okay with seeing a little dip, but then I wanted to see a rip. That didn't happen. So my mindset is tomorrow, if I like what I'm seeing, if GameStar starts popping off, I have time to get an AMC. Okay. I obviously, I have some options for next week, but I'm just saying to get more leverage on it. Right. So anyway, let me know what you guys thought. Let me know if you guys, you know, want me to cover other things, whether tickers you're thinking. Let me know if you guys are in this play. If you think there's going to be a full moon pop tomorrow, I'm very curious on what you guys think because you're watching the same thing I'm watching. Okay, it's literally it's like they're building up our hopium, right? Or maybe their hopium's getting built up that maybe they'll make it through the Scorpio season without too many bruises, right? Or maybe we're gonna win. It's like I feel like they're on the other side feeling exactly the way we're feeling today. Like I'm feeling like I hope this goes up tomorrow. Like, oh, come on. I could really use this to go up tomorrow. I could finish the weekend, feeling good about the week. Come on, just give me one of them. And they're on the other side saying, ooh, I hope I can control this situation and don't give them all the money that all these guys have been working hard to get, right? So it's a full moon for everybody, is my point. All right. So may the best man win this time. And if they win this time, we'll get them next time. All right. Anyway, I'm Jason Alexander, Bloom and Neptune, here to help you navigate through the illusions of life. You're watching Mark Moon Alert, where your merch makes with the stars. Till next time, peace. Oh, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Oh, the last video did almost 1,000 views, like on the AMC video did yesterday. That was amazing. I was extremely surprised to see that many views on there. So yeah, if you guys keep doing that, liking the video and commenting and everything like that, giving me that love, I'm gonna make sure I give you guys my love, my energy. Keep posting these videos and all that good stuff. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.